Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a new update for my project polish for you guys. Yeah, some exciting and some okay progress to show you guys. So let's jump right in and get to the polishes. So the first one, and I'm just going to really short about this one, Shiny Glaze Emerald Fitzgerald. Did not use it. So yeah, that's all. Then I did use this Berry M nail paint in, what is it again, bright purple. It's also what I have on my nails right now, and I really like this one actually because it's really like shiny for some reason. It just, yeah, really shiny. It's a little bit on the darker side maybe for this time of the year, but still I really like it because of the shininess, and like it just looks good on my nails, I think. So yeah, I've been using this one. I think I used it 2 times at this point, and this is the progress that I made. It's kind of hard to see because it's a darker polish. So I started here and now I am here. So I hope you guys can see that properly. Not too much progress, but it's noticeable progress. So I'm happy about that. Then I've also been using my Essie nail polish in Tart Deco, right? Yep, Tart Deco. And this is the progress that I made here, so it's pretty similar to the progress that I made on that China Glaze one. No, on that Berry M one. So I moved from here to here, and I'm still not 100% sure about this one. I like the summeriness, and when I kind of like hold my nails away from me, it looks good. But some things that are interesting about it is, I don't know if you guys will be able to see, it's kind of starting to separate already at this point, and I've still used it in the last week basically, so that's pretty interesting to see that it separates that quickly again. However, like when I use it, it's fine. It's not my favorite formula, but like I think with this pastel-y colors, like they are always a little bit harder to work with. And then another thing that I'm noticing with this one is when I apply my top coat on top of this one, it kind of changes the color in some places. So some places will be more of a like proper orange, and some places it will be still this pastel-y type orange. So that is strange, and I'm actually wondering if any of you guys notice that, if you have this polish, especially Betsy, if you watch this video. I know you're using this one in your project polish as well, so have you noticed anything like that? Because I just think it's kind of strange, because I've never had that with any of my colors. Like when they were lighter or darker, it didn't really matter. I'm still using the same top coat, so there isn't really much difference there. But yeah, as long as I'm not looking at my nails like this, basically, I'm fine. So I'll keep using this one. It's still working properly. And then lastly, I had my Essence Color and Go nail polish in the color Lovely Secrets, and I was here when I started first update, well, for this specific one, and now I am done with it. There still is a little bit left in here, as you can probably tell, but it's getting really thick and goopy. I cannot get it out properly anymore, and it probably isn't enough for a proper manicure anymore anyway, so calling this one done. And now I realize that I forgot to actually choose a new polish. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and I'll be coming back to you guys to let you know what will be the new polish that is gonna be replacing this one. Okay, and I'm back. I've decided to go for another Berry M nail polish, and since we're still kind of going into summer, sort of, I've decided to go for another like nice and bright color, but something that is clearly different from the purple and orange thingies that I already have going on. So this one is called, what is it? Spring Green. So yes, we're going into summer, but spring green still works. Probably not the best pick when it comes to like office appropriateness, but I feel like this time of year should be okay to wear just like a bright green color, because I feel like it. Yeah, I'm not really sure where I am on this one because it was lying on its side. I'm guessing I'll probably be around this mark because I know I've used it a couple of times, but I haven't used it too much yet. But I guess you will see in my next update. So I'll make sure I'll mark it the moment I can actually see where I am. So yes, this is gonna be my new polish. This is the one I finished up, and then I like effectively have these three to be working on. So I've got a little bit of a darker one to the purplish side, a nice pastel-y orange one, and a pretty bright green one that is still on the pastel side, I hope, because I haven't worn it in a while. So yes, that is it. And then, like, of course, I've got my China Glaze Emerald Fitzgerald. I probably won't be using that one very much, so let's just assume that those three, including the green that I just dropped, are gonna be my colors for this month. Yes, and that is it. So happy I finished another polish again. I'm probably thinking I'm gonna be focusing on this one the most this month, because it's been in my project for the longest at this point, and it's also the biggest amount, because let's have a quick look. This one is 10 mils and the Essie ones are 15 mils. So even though they look similar, there is like half as much extra polish in this one as there is in this one. So that's quite significant, I'd say. So even though the progress looks similar, I've definitely made more progress on this one if you look at it like that. But yeah, that's it for this update. I hope you guys liked watching it. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!